Welcome to another Van Wezel Artworks Anywhere. This is Pablo Picasso, one of the most famous Spanish artists of all time. He is known for creating a style called Cubism, in which he observed every subject he was going to paint or sculpt from all possible points of view. Here we have his very famous guitar. To create it, he first took a guitar and sketched it from every perspective and worked toward combining all sides and depicting details in a way that when we look at it, we can sense all sides and details all at one glance. I always get inspired by Picasso because he had so much fun doing what he did. He was always playing in his studio, and that's how he made his biggest creations, just by playing. So I thought we can give it a try and make our own. But then I realized I don't have a guitar. I have a ukulele, so I'm going to use that one instead. You don't have to have a guitar or a ukulele. You can use any object you want. Once you have your object, you can start sketching it or taking pictures as I did. The idea is that you take the time to see it from every single point of view, that you pay attention to the little details, that you have a better sense of the size, the weight, the texture, the smell, the sounds, that you find all the perspectives you can find in your object. For this project, we don't need specific materials. I went around the house and I found cardboard, I found scissors, glue, tape, some magazines, some strings. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use. Grab whatever you have at hand to play like a Picasso. Okay, let's start with a piece of blackboard on the base and a black piece of paper. Wrinkled, but it's okay. Right there I have a cardboard that I cut with the shape of the side of the body of the ukulele, and I was thinking about lyrics. So that pie has a pattern that reminded me of the pattern around the sound hole, and that it's okay later. That piece should be like the headstock where the tuners are, and that is the same part seen from the side. That's the back of the neck, and I liked it because I saw this triangle that is on the top, and I really liked it. I like that shape. Okay, this keeps moving, so that's a moving masterpiece. I'm adding the strings. I'm not going to straighten them. I like them like that. I decided not to use 4, there are only 3. It's fun. It adds some movement. Okay. That triangle and other 2, I think that I cut, are the triangles that you can see on the neck of the ukulele. And those drops are the tuners. Here, and another one right there. Okay. Whoops. That is the sound hole, which I like a lot. So I did here, there. Okay, that's fine. And I decided to have 2 of those to enjoy the different perspectives. Right there. Okay, you can see it. And now that is the other half of the body. Yeah, or that's how I see it. It's okay. That piece actually in the ukulele would be called the bridge, is where the strings are attached at the bottom. And I made it big, kind of. If you see it from the bottom, because of the point of view, it's going to look big. So I decided to make it big. Alright, right there. It keeps moving. It's my moving masterpiece. And some more space here, and I think I like it that way. Could be any other way, but I think it's fine. What do you think? Remember to share your masterpiece at the Van Wezel Facebook page.